Hello friend, this is Kellen from IGOLDEN CNC. They are a professional manufacturer and supplier in CNC machine. Today, I'd like to introduce the popular and hot sale PVC laminator machine. This machine have double working table. This one, the size is 2,500 by 1,250 millimeter. This one, the size is 2,500 by 1,050 millimeter. Now I will show you the details of this machine. Here can put the PVC rolls. The PVC have different thickness and size. It up to your works. Through the small holes can fix the PVC on wood. Now I show you how to fix the PVC. Close here, then open here. This part will put down. Through this window, can see the processing. This is the control system, best brand in China. Now let me show you how to work over this machine. Thanks for your time. If you want to know more information of this machine, welcome to visit our website, Alibaba Shop or AliExpress.